So guys, for the first step, you're going to click on the three dots in the top right, and then click on settings. And now on the left hand side, you're going to click on startup. Make sure that you have open the new tab selected instead of continue where you left off. And now for the second step, you're going to click on the three dots in the top right again, and then click on history, and then click on history again. Now you're going to click on delete browsing data. Make sure that you have cookies and other site data and cache both selected, and then set the time range to all time, and then click on delete data. And now for the third method, you're going to click on the three dots in the top right, and then click on extensions, and then click on manage extensions. If you have any extensions that you think may be causing a problem, you either want to disable it or remove it. If the problem is still not fixed, then you're going to click on the three dots in the top right, and then click on settings. On the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and click on reset settings, and then click on restore settings to the original defaults, and then click on reset settings. Now you just want to close out of Chrome, and then open it back up again, and then the problem should be fixed.